What is good, everybody? It's your girl Janelle back again with another video, and it is another lock curl video. I've been into curling my locks lately because I guess they're long. My locks are longer, so I want to try different ways of getting curls. I will be trying different ways of getting curls to correct myself. And if you are not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. And if you would like to see how I achieved these waves or curls, then keep watching. So I'm gonna start off with freshly damp hair. Not fully damp, but it's like a little bit moist. I don't want it too moist because I don't want my hair to mildew when I put on my scarf. So I'm just gonna put on my headband just like this, as you can see, and then I'm gonna start with one side first, which is the right side. I'm gonna take about 4 locks and put it over and then pull it through under, if that makes sense. So each time you go down, pulling over and pulling under, you take up locks as you go. So I'm gonna explain that again. So I'm gonna take a few locks, put it over the headband, and then push it under. Yeah. So the back is a little bit more difficult to tuck in. So as you can see, I'm kind of struggling because the back is longer. So you basically want to get all the hair tucked in at the back, so eventually you're gonna see everything tucked in at the back. And if there's any loose at the side, you just tuck it in over and you will still get a little bit of waves. So you're gonna see the back. Everything is finished here. It's all done. See some little hairs sticking out. I'm just gonna tuck those in. So I feel as I go, I feel the hair sticking out, so I just tuck it in. So it's gonna look like this. And then I'm gonna take my scarf and tie my head down, and I'm gonna take it off the next day when I'm ready to go outside. So it's the next day and I'm about to take off my head tie, my scarf, and I'm just going to take out my hair from the headband. So I start with the back, of course, so it's going to be easier to just go up along the sides. And just pretty much watch and look, watch and see. It's pretty simple. And now that the headband is off, I'm just going to play with my hair a little bit to see how I like it. I'm going to fluff up my hair so it gets a little bit more volume, because you know the part that you didn't push through the headband is not going to be curled. Only the parts that you push through the headband is going to be wavy. So I'm just giving my hair a little volume here. You know, play around with it a little bit to get it how I like it. This is how the back looks. Kind of wish it curled, well, was a little bit more wavy, but it's all good. It's my first time trying this. I will be doing it again to perfect it, of course. I am feeling these waves though, like I'm feeling it. I'm definitely gonna be trying this more often. It is too cute. So that's the end of the video, guys. I will see you in my next video. Subscribe, comment, like, share, everything, and I will see you in my next video.